Welcome back to AM Profit Pursuit. Today we are dive into Dixon Technologies, one of India's leading electronics manufacturing companies. Whether you are a seasoned investor or just curious about the latest stocks trend, then this video will walk through Dixon's financial partnerships, market growth, and investment portfolio. Let's get started. Right here, today we will explore the fundamental of Dixon Technologies. What is the fundamental? This is the India's top player in contract manufacturing for consumer durables and electronics on telecom products. We'll see why this stock is so much more, stock is buzzing with potential, what makes it attractive for investor. Dixon Technology offers end-to-end manufacturing solutions from product design and logistics. They work with leading domestic and global brands across sectors like mobile phones, LED TVs, home appliance, and lightings. With 18 manufacturing plants and 6 R&D centers, Dixon is truly scaling up operations. Right. This company plays two role OEM and ODM. OEM means assembling products based on client design, and ODM is designing and producing their own products which are sold under client brands. Right. Now let's look at Dixon's financial highlights. In financial year 2024, revenue has increased almost 45% year on year to with the number of 17,691 crore. Obviously, it is good. EBITDA rate also has increased with the percentage of 36%, and PAT, that is called net profit, also jumped with 47% year on year with the number of 698 crore, almost 700 crores. In quarter 1 financial year 2025, they has showing their revenue will be doubled, growing 100% year on year growth thanks to a new client acquisition in the mobile division. Clearly, it shows the Dixon's growth trajectory, which is impressive. Now we'll see Dixon's segment wise business or growth. Dixon business is divided into several segments. Mobile and EMS, the largest contributor to revenue with phones and IT hardware producing booming. Consumer electric also 35% of India's LED TV market, right? And PLI scheme. Dixon has got benefited from government's PLI schemes and productions linked incentive driving future growth, right? And lighting products, a global leaders meeting 50% of India's indoor lighting needs. Let's talk about profitability. Dixon's return on equity capital employed stands at impressive 30%. The company has reduced its debt to equity ratio 0.009x. It is showing an excellent financial discipline. Instead of this rapid growth, PAT, this is called profit after tax margin, remains stable at 2.1%. This balance between growth and financial stability makes Dixon an attractive long-term investment. Dixon has expanding aggressively through strategic partnership. What is partnership? Laptops and tablets will produce with memorandum of Asus with unit with Asus. After memorandum of unit with Asus, Dixon will produce laptops and tablets. And with Google, manufacture Android TV, and with Samsung, they will manufacture Tizen OS. They are also entering exciting new markets like wearable drones, electronics vehicle components, etc. These partnerships and new ventures will boost revenues and diversify the business further. Okay, now let's talk about valuations and market potentials. Dixon's currently trades with the P ratio 202.31x, reflecting investor optimism. It is showcasing, it is really so huge or big number. Uh, Instead of all these investors showing the optimism in this stock. The electronics market in India is expected to grow at 34% CAGR until financial year 2028. Dixon stocks has multiplied 5x since 2023, providing wealth creators for long-term or investor. With a strong order book, government support, Dixon is well positioned to take advantage of India's electronic manufacturing boom. In conclusion, an investment outlook, should you invest in Dixon Technologies? Long term, if you are a long term investor, stand to benefit from strategy, partnership, diversification efforts, and government incentive. However, be mindful stock volatility, input cost pressure that could impact profitability. If you are the long term investor, obviously Dixon could be a good pick in your portfolio, solid pick for your portfolio. Thanks for watching. If you found this analysis useful, uh, press the like button or subscribe button to aim profit pursuit. For more insight market updates, you don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Let me know in these comments, will Dixon Technology make it into your portfolio? Until next time, happy investing. Thanks for watching.